Ado atatu nio celebrities bururi-ini wa Kenya aria me ngumo muno riu ni mareketie kuyumiria page-ini ciao cia Facebook na gukorwo magicakaya Ikuo. Na tiongi ni Nyambu, Ithaga, Riene, Triza, Waithera, TW na MC Karangu Muraya. Itana komithia maingi no nguria na gitio ndinyihitie muno tuike wa gusubscribe, like, comment ndukarigane kuhitika notification bell ugakoragwo wi wa mbere kwamukira mwago wa mugikuyu. Andu marigatu niwe Nyambu, Ithaga, Riene, MC Karangu na Triza, Waithera riu ni mareketie kuyumiria page-ini ciao cia Facebook na kurekereria ciugo iria cironania mena maithori maingi na ni gucakaya Ikuo. Nigukorwo ngimakuo uria meyumiritie na kuga Nyambu, Ithaga, Riene arauga it's dark Saturday but we don't question God. I hate funerals. May God keep our close ones. Aronania ni uritwo ni murata wake wa hakuhe nake Triza, Waithera, TW akeyumiria akauga let go, let God, proof of life, go where grandpa. Uyu ni uritwo ni grandpa wake. Na finally niwe Karangu Muraya MC arauga today my heart goes to these beautiful kids, Rhea and Denzel, who lost their mom some years ago through fire incident, and today we are laying their dad to rest, who was involved in a road accident last week. May Jehovah comfort them. Rhea, who is in Form 1, and Wambui in Class 6, need our support, dear friends. Let's send our love offering to their aunt today on 0741761631. Naomi Wambui, premature death is not our portion in Jesus name. Africana CN mwago wa mugikuyu tugathie na mbere kuhoera family ici Ngai acihe thayo utathiraga aya mareketie kuhuruka maroma ma kwega kuraga na Ngai wa muoyo arothie na mbere gutugitira goko kwa mwago wa mugikuyu Africana CN.